Earn while you learn. Join our free live trading session. Hello, Nimesh. Bitcoin continues to sell off. Bitcoin, often seen as a proxy of Wall Street's risk appetite, continued its sell-off that fell as low as 93,614 on Sunday. That level was where Bitcoin reached at the end of last year. Could it be a sign that traders are simply not willing to take risks after several Federal Reserve officials said they are not too convinced of a December rate cut yet? Matthew Hoogan at Bitwise Asset Management believes so. The general market is risk-off, said Matthew Hoogan, the San Francisco-based Chief Investment Officer for Bitwise Asset Management. Crypto was the canary in the coal mine for that. It was the first to flinch. The Nasdaq was down 0.5% last week, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 were positive in the same period. Some market strategists are not ready to call it a market correction. Tom Lee at Fundstrat sees it as choppy trading until Wall Street finds the next catalyst to push stocks in a direction. At the same time, the Nasdaq is nearly 5% off its all-time high, which puts it halfway toward the correction territory of a 10% decline. We had expected the first couple weeks of November to be choppy, and it certainly looks like we are in the midst of the chop, wrote Tom Lee, head of research at Fundstrat. Nvidia is likely to take the spotlight for this week's trading. The AI chipmaker will report its earnings on Wednesday, and Wall Street will certainly watch its results to see if there is any sign of a slowdown in AI demand. Moreover, investors will get earnings reports from retail giants, including Walmart and Home Depot, for some clues on consumer spending. Here is the list of the S&P 500 companies that are set to report earnings this week. Home Depot, Target, Lowe's, Williams-Sonoma, TJX, Palo Alto Networks, Nvidia, Walmart, Jacobs Solutions, Ross Stores, Intuit, and Copart. After last week's volatility, this week feels like a pivotal moment to see if the market can stabilize. Otherwise, it may trigger technical sell-offs. It's going to be an important week.